Well, hello there.
Today we're going to make an Origami Sonobe unit cube thingy. This model is a modular origami, which means that you need to have 2 or more sheets of paper to do it. So let's get started. So first off, fold your paper in half like this. And then rotate it so that your center crease now looks like a diagonal. What you want to do is fold your paper diagonally now. Now that you have done all that, take the two creases, no, not creases, tips, and then fold them down to the center like this. And now, take the 2 edges, these 2, and fold them over to the center crease like this. Now that you have done all that, take the two side tips and fold them over to this point right here. Then now, take the right side, take the bottom right hand tip, and fold it over so that this edge meets up with this edge here. Then rotate your model 180 degrees and do the same on the other side. And now what you want to do is unfold all of these. Then open up the pocket here and then tuck that in. And do the same on the other side. And flip it over and take this point and fold it over here. And do the same on the other side. And there you go, you finished your 1 out of 6 Sonobe units. There we go. I made more units come out of existence. I meant exist. I can't speak properly today. So what you want to do is take a unit, flip it over, and take 2 units and then insert them over the pockets like this. flip the model over, and you can see that these are flappy and all that. I don't know how to phrase it. Just you'll know it when I'm done. So what you want to do is take another unit and just flip that over, and then do the same thing that I did a few seconds ago, like so. Okay, so it now resembles a cube-like shape. And take another unit. And find a place for it, and then just put that here. And insert that here. Make sure that all of the tabs have been inserted into pockets. And there you go, your very own finished Sonobe cube. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.